Oh, while John's mending his organ, let's get a rhythm going here. All right. This is how it goes. In a minute, we're going to have a few breaks, and I want you to keep on clapping all the way through. All right.